So there's a trap that a lot of people fall into when using meditation to help them with sleep issues or being able to fall asleep or go back to sleep should they wake up in the middle of the night. And it's a trap that I don't want you to get caught in. And the trap is when people think that the meditation isn't working for them just because it didn't immediately put them back to sleep. So whenever students come to me and say, oh, I tried to use meditation to sleep, but I was still up for an hour, I didn't fall right back asleep, it must not be working for me, I like to remind them that the next best thing to sleep is rest. So in the course of a human being's life, most people will experience some form of sleep issues, some form of sleep disturbances. It can be hormonal, it can be really challenging things happening at the family or in your work life or whatever it is. Most human beings at some point or another in their life experiences sleep interruptions. So when you remember that the next best thing to sleep is rest, if you're at least able to put yourself into a more restful state utilizing the meditation, that is not nothing. So if you think about how you would feel in the morning, if you spent the entire night kind of tossing and turning and getting frustrated and checking the time and hemming and hawing, that's expending a huge amount of energy. Now compare that to lying in bed, listening to, say, a guided meditation, say the body scan, or if you're at the point in your practice where you can do it without any guidance, just doing a breathing meditation or doing a self-guided body scan, whatever it is. You're at least now using your mind to help put your mind and your body into a more restful state as compared to frustrating, fighting it, tossing and turning, etc. I guarantee you, you're going to feel a heck of a lot better when you wake up on that morning as compared to the morning after tossing and turning and being frustrated all night. You've conserved energy by not moving into those more frustrated states. You're at least trying to utilize your mind and your meditative practice to move you into more restful states, and you will feel better in the morning as compared to those nights where we just get frustrated, expending a huge amount of energy, just upset, angry that we're not able to go back to sleep. So when you view it from this vantage point, even though you didn't get the holy grail of things, which is just going right back off to sleep, you got the very next best thing, both for your mind and for your body, which is utilizing the meditation to move you into more restful states. So in those instances, it's not that the meditation isn't working if you just don't go right back to sleep. It's working in a slightly different way. And as I love to say, this is not nothing. So give it a try, see what happens, see if you can kind of tweak your perspective, and let me know if you experience any of the benefit from this particular teaching.